Learn, earn, and have fun. Purpose of this channel is to learn and apply those learning to start earning, either via side gigs or corporate jobs. The easiest and sure short way to showcase skills is certifications. If done properly with a deep learning, it guarantees certain amount of knowledge. I have written a blog on why certifications are important. Check out the description. But here is the summary. Certifications, are they money wasted or invested? I strongly believe it's an investment. So certifications helps in resume selections. In today's world of bots and artificial intelligence, where no human eye is going to select your resume, it's very important what's written on the resume. What are the buzzwords? What are the keywords? This is in no way an end. Having your resume selected is just the first step. Your knowledge will set the path for future. So go for certification, but not on some dump, rather deep knowledge. And while we are doing certification, we definitely learn a lot in the process. Certifications provide a boundary. So if we go to AWS certification and look at what all components or modules are there, we are literally lost where to start. Certifications have a identified syllabus, so it can help us in getting started, and from there we can decide where to deep dive. Again, it also helps to connect the dots. So if we have IAM, S3, Athena, all of these solutions out of AWS, we know a little about all of those things, then we can build solutions where to use what, we can evaluate our options, so we can build compelling and scalable solutions. And last but not least, actually this helps a lot with side gigs. So as a freelancer, we have very less credibility. We build our portfolio, and if we put in there that we are certified for certain skills, the employer will have certain confidence while handing over the first project. So we will start with AWS Solution Architect Associate, and then we will move on to the professional. So why AWS? As of today, AWS is indeed a cloud leader. Other competitors, IBM or GCP or Oracle, they are literally far away from AWS. Today, whether it's a startup or a big organization, everyone got a cloud strategy or heading towards it. Plus, when we are building something of our own, we really don't want to invest upfront in any kind of infrastructure. So there, having a knowledge of AWS, it can help us grow in enterprise. We can start some side gigs or do consulting for startups who have a money crunch and cannot afford full-time AWS consultants. And if we are doing our own startup, then it can help us a lot in experimentations, not to invest in the infrastructure, rather than invest our time and energy in building solutions. So yeah, as said, we'll focus more on the AWS Solutions Architect, and most of the tutorials go a little bit deeper topic wise. So they will cover, for example, identity and access management end to end, then move on to S3, and then move on to Athena. But in this, if we go this way, the time to market ourselves or the time to build solutions is a little bit longer. There is no wrong way or right way, but the way I will move is we will go iterative. So we will understand basic of IAM, identity and access management, which will enable us to use the resources on AWS. We will understand certain services, for example, Athena, S3 and Lambda. And first we will build a small solution to gain that confidence and showcase our skills. In iteration 2, we will continue building the solutions by going deeper into the technologies. We will understand organizations in IAM. We'll go and understand S3 internals, how Athena can be used for data analytics purposes, what are concurrency models in Lambda, like this. And at the same time, we will understand how we can do on-demand scaling, how we can route requests, how we can monitor the APIs, and all these advanced concepts. So by end of second iteration, you will be able to build a scalable solution. You will be able to monitor your applications, and of course we'll be revising our syllabus from the iteration 1. In iteration 3, this will be more advanced concepts, and we will focus more on non-functional aspects, where we'll see how we can handle backup and recovery, how we can have a geo-redundant architecture, how we can have active and passive HA, these kind of concepts. And we'll also dig deeper into networking and analytics concepts, and as well as cost optimization, which is a big pillar for AWS, because as we grow on AWS, our cost sky rocket, and as a consultant, it's our job to maintain those costs and suggest alternate solutions which can bring down the cost. Iteration 4, we will focus more and more on examinations. We will have more revisions, practice papers, and interactive sessions. So get ready for this solutions architect certification. This is one of the byproducts of our learning which we will achieve, but the goal here is that in each iteration we will be able to showcase our skill and be more ready to get that side gig or consulting opportunity. Obviously, why new channel? I mean, there are a lot of channels, there are a lot of styles to teach, but while doing my certifications, the style of teaching, as I said, going deeper into that and not building the solutions was a little bit frustrating for me. I feel that these certifications is a journey, and we should be able to showcase our skill much early in the iteration rather than waiting for the end certification. So I hope by end of iteration, even if you have not done any kind of cloud skills before, you will be able to change your resume and showcase your cloud skills, and I'll be there and I will help you to do that. And obviously this whole content is going to remain free, so that's one more thumbs up. Yeah, this is just a start, and it's never perfect. And rightly said, the pursuit of perfection often impedes improvement. So I have to start somewhere. I hope you guys will like my content, will support me. Thanks a lot for watching this. See you soon with my next relevant contents. Thanks guys. Bye.